National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Doherty to near Dixon to near Overbrook, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Medill, Tishomingo, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Ravia, Mill Creek, Doherty, Gene Autry, Reagan, Lake Murray, Rossett, Overbrook, Lake of the Arbuckles, and Oakland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.